Hello friends, today we will be discussing LeetCode problem of the day, that is LeetCode 100, and the problem is same tree. The problem is categorized as easy, and I guess it's the easy problem. The problem statement says that you are given roots of two binary t p and q. Write a function that will return if the trees are same or not. So like the problem statement is quite easy. You have to just return if the trees are structurally and value wise they are same. So let's consider two tree. Like I've already taken two tree. These are a and these are b. So these, for this tree you can see that the structure is same. So one is having two child, three is having two child, three is having two child, five is like having one child, then 5 is also having one child here. So the structure is same and the values you can see, like the values is values mapping is also same in the both tree. So we can say that okay, this tree are equal, so the function should the trees are same, so the function should return true for this. And if we like check for this tree, for this particular tree, if we take like, you can see like the values are same here and here, but the structure is not same. One is having two child, yeah, one is having two child, two is having zero child, yes, yes, then three is having zero child, but here we can see that three is having one child. So we can say the structure is not same, so the function should return false. Yeah, so what is the like intuition you are developing from this is like, what I developed is like the approach. So we will check for the value of root node. If they are equal, then return true, or like not return true. If they are not equal, oh sorry, if they are not equal, return false. And if they are equal, what we are going to do, we are going to check for the left subtree and the right subtree. So like if the root node values are equal, we cannot say that the binary trees are same. We have to just check for recursively. We will check recursively for left subtree and right subtree, and at any point of time you will return false if node value are different, or we can say that are different, node values are different, or one of node has left child or like left child or right child, excuse me, or right child, while the other node doesn't. So I guess like this was the approach like you had also developed for like solving this problem. I have like tried my best to like solve this. I explain this to you. So like this approach is very straightforward. You have to write a recursive function to check like the values of the nodes are equal or not. If the values are equal, then move to the left subtree and right subtree, then do the recursive task like again, and after that return the value. So like quickly see this like the solution for this problem. So like this is the solution for this problem. Basically what I am doing is like the same tree function is provided by LeetCode. I'm making it a recursive function. So this function will return a boolean. So it's same tree, it take two variables in, like it take input as two nodes. Then we are going to check is if the two nodes are null. If the two nodes are null, just return true, because we don't need to check. Like we are sure that if we are given two trees with no root, then you can say yeah, this tree is like same. So that's the base case. And if one of the node is null and other, like one of the node is null and other is not, so let's say you're given a tree of one and the other is like root is null, then you can say by sure that the root trees are not same. So these are the like two base cases that you can solve like by thinking like in mentally. So this is like two base cases for this problem. And if then after that what we will do, we'll check that if the value of the roots are same or not. If the values are not same, simply return false. So this line is doing that thing, it will return false. And if they are same, then we have to check for the left subtree. This part will check for the left subtree, this will check for the right subtree. So like this will return some boolean value, this will return the boolean value, and we will return the end of that two things. So if the left subtree is also same, then and right subtree is also same, then return true, else we will return false. So this function is like the recursive function you need to know, like you have to build for solving this like this question, recursive function. Yeah. So now let's quickly discuss the time complexity and the space complexity of this problem. As I already mentioned that on recursive solution you will get O of n time complexity, because we are visiting one node once each time. Sorry, one node each time. So like that's why the time complexity is O of n, this time complexity. And also the space complexity is also going to be O of n, because like we are making a recursive call, and recursion uses stack to maintain the function call. So like the stack at most can take an memory location, that's why the time complexity like the space complexity is O of n. So like this was like the total analysis of this question. This was like my solution, and this was the approach I had like to solve this question. And if you like had some like doubt in this problem, or like you need some clarification in my explanation, just write in the comment box, I will like try to explain. Okay, then I'll meet you, like see you tomorrow with new problem. Bye.